Hey everybody in YouTube land, this is Rich of the Rich Maxwell channel. Welcome back. Today I'm doing a follow-up video about my Hubsan Zino. Last video I showed it going into a lake and how I recovered and fixed the drone. Now I'm just going to show how it's flown and talk about problems that I've had since the drowning of my drone. So it's Saturday here in England. It's freezing cold today. We've had the first frost of the year and now it's tipping down with rain. So I've not had a great deal of opportunity to fly the drone, but managed to get out this morning and get some cool footage and some nice photos. I also did a little fix to my drone. It was previously suffering with quite unfocused images, really soft images, and it was really getting on my nerves. It looked nowhere near as good as everyone else's Hubsan Zino footage on YouTube. So managed to focus the lens, so that's a great result. So here you can see the footage and some photos. So that was some footage filmed earlier today on my drone after getting it out of the lake. As you can see, image quality is looking great now that I've done that focusing fix. So really pleased about that. So glad I saw that video about how to do it. I'll put a link to that video in the description in case that helps anyone else that's bought one of these drones and is struggling with the focusing. But yeah, now just to talk about how it's all running and talk about a couple of little problems that I've got with it since getting it out of the lake. So here is the drone. As you can see, it's all looking nice and clean after the horrible lake water all over it. But the main problem that I've got with it, when I put a battery in, it turns straight on. The on-off switch just doesn't work at all. So put that in, the light's on already, and now it'll start booting up. The on-off switch doesn't do anything. So I press that, nothing, it won't shut down. So the only way I've got to turn it on and off is just pulling the battery in and out, which isn't too bad. I can live with that. Just means that when I put it in my bag, I've got to keep it in the bag with no battery in. So that can make it easier to fill my bag up. Obviously, it takes up a bit more space that way. But yeah, it's not a major issue. I can live with that. But what I found the problem when I was flying it earlier was the battery didn't start at 100%. Instead, started on like about 70%. Even though the batteries were fully charged, I'd left them for ages in the standard Hubsan charger, so I'm pretty sure they're fully charged unless there's something up with that charger already. So yeah, it doesn't seem to recognise fully charged batteries, which means I don't get as long a flight time as I did before. So that's a bit annoying, but considering I've pulled it out of the lake, I'm lucky it works at all really. So I can cope with that for now. Probably will just upgrade to a new drone though pretty soon. Maybe looking out for deals on Black Friday for a Mavic drone, but we'll see. So yeah, that's an update. Other than that, it looks like it's running great. The footage that you'll have seen before, the horizon wasn't level, so maybe I didn't have the gimbal calibrated properly, or maybe there's something up with that as well, but we'll see and calibrate it for next time I fly. And yeah, you'll probably see more footage soon on my channel. So thanks for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. I'm going to be posting up more videos about drones, photography, and might do some fitness videos again. And yeah, cycling videos. More than likely going to start again in the spring, summertime. May do some over the winter, but I'm not cycling as much at the moment as the weather here in England is just terrible at the moment. Literally rain every day, and I've had a couple of issues cycling, been knocked off my bike a couple of times in the rain and dark weather, so it's yeah, just put me off cycling in the rain. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this video, and as I say, please subscribe, like, and join me for my next video. Thank you. Forgot to mention something. Today picked up a new lens, so I've got a 70-200 telephoto lens. So this is going to be great for portraits and for shooting like wildlife when I go to the zoos and stuff like that, and safari park. And yeah, looking forward to getting some good shots with this. So yeah, join me for more videos on photography. You'll no doubt see some photos from this lens. This is a Sigma 70-200 Canon fit lens. but using my Yongnuo adapter for my Sony, I can use this. It focuses, works great, everything works on it. So really pleased with this lens. Can't wait to get shooting with it once the weather here gets slightly better. So join me again, and thanks again guys. See you soon.